Hello and welcome to Sailing with Jacq. We're heading with our dinghy and my family from Switzerland to Bird Island. So it's quite shallow there, so I'm on the lookout for corals and possible rocks in the water, but it's all good. We made it there. And we're just gonna come to the shore here. I am promising you a beautiful, beautiful view on the top. So it's my first time here on this island. I always wanted to go there and we were managing to get over here this time with my family, which is even more special. So just gonna get to shore and then please join us on the hike up to the top of Bird Island, where you can see all around the island, all the way out in the ocean and towards the main island of Antigua as well. But it is well worth a visit if you have a chance to go at Anchorage there, closer out, and you can see where we actually anchored later in the movie. So come and have some fun. Let's join us. Let's go.
Sind wir angekommen am Boden. Aussteigen. Aufpassen, dass du nicht zu viel reinstoßt wegen der Sea-Urchin. Jetzt ist gut. Jetzt, Patrick, jetzt kannst du helfen. Ja, aber warte, jetzt warten wir an. There. Beautiful. Wow. Well, I'm gonna go walk in here for a second over there. There's a walkway. Das hat schon ein paar rum. Wenn ihr nicht wollt, dann bleibt. Frigate birds. Hey, du musst in Tanja sagen, es soll mitkommen. Schau an. Wow, is it ever beautiful? South Beach. Hello. It's beautiful. I know, I saw it. That's pretty. We came in here with the dinghy. The airport there. Our lady is out there. It's pretty nice. We're gonna be sailing tomorrow through here. Huh? Ja. Dolce, gaan we morgen doorzeilen. Bis dit aber. Bis dit had de punkt aan.
England, okay.
All right, go.